I implemented a system that allows a drone to fly autonomously from room to room on one floor of a house. The drone sends back footage from its camera to a fast computer that I built that has a GPU on it. And on that computer is a convolutional neural network that looks at the video stream and decides which way the drone should move. It's not perfect yet. When flying on its own, the drone still bumps into things sometimes, but it's doing very well considering that the convolutional neural network was trained on only 2,000 images that came from the drone's camera. Each of those 2,000 images was labeled, indicating which direction the drone should go. So for a given image or snapshot from that camera, that snapshot has a label indicating what the drone's best movement should be: up, down, left, right, forwards, backwards, rotate left, or rotate right. And the reason I could train the convolutional neural network on so few images, because 2,000 images isn't much, the reason I could train it on so few was because I used a neural network that was pre-trained on a totally different task. This pre-trained neural network was trained on 14 million images of 20,000 different kinds of objects, like cars and animals and umbrellas, a whole bunch of different things. And it was trained to distinguish between all those different things. So what I did was I took this already trained network and chopped the top part of it off and replaced it with some new untrained layers, and then trained those layers on my 2,000 labeled drone pictures.